Hey everyone, and welcome back. We're diving into something pretty wild today. You ready for this?
Always ready to dive in.
Okay, so AI. We hear about it everywhere, right?
Yeah.
But get this. It's now shaking up how universities find and recruit top talent.
Oh, yeah, it's getting really interesting.
Seriously, think about it. Trying to find that perfect candidate for a specialized academic job, it's like, what's that saying?
A needle in a haystack.
Yeah, a needle in a haystack. That's what it used to be like, but things are changing fast.
Big time.
And that's exactly what we're digging into today. We've got this article about a tool called AI Candidate Connect. Have you heard about this?
Yeah, I've been following it. It's pretty groundbreaking stuff.
It seems like it, right? So let's unpack this. What does this AI tool actually do?
Well, think of it this way. You know how traditionally universities post a job opening and then just kind of wait and hope the right people apply?
Yeah, post and pray.
Exactly. Post and pray. But this is different. AI Candidate Connect flips the script. It's more like post and connect.
Post and connect. I like that. So how does it do that?
So it uses something called natural language processing, NLP. What this means is it can actually understand the skills and experience that are detailed in a candidate's profile.
Wait, hold on. So it's not just looking for keywords?
Nope. It goes way deeper than that. It can connect universities with people who might be a perfect fit for the position.
Even if they haven't used like the exact right words in their resume or CV?
Precisely.
Okay, that's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
But how does it actually find these people? Like, where is it looking?
Well, it can search across these massive databases, It can scan through tons of profiles and pick out the best matches.
The article mentioned something about connecting with the top 20% of candidates in a given field.
Yeah, and instantly. So no more waiting around for applications to trickle in.
That's huge.
Yeah,
I bet that's especially helpful for specialized fields.
absolutely. Especially those emerging fields where the talent pool is already pretty limited.
Right, right. Like, imagine trying to build a program in, I don't know, quantum computing,
Perfect example. You need world-class talent, but they could be anywhere.
scattered across the globe.
Exactly.
Yeah,
This tool could change the game for finding those experts.
totally. And the thing is, this isn't just theory. They're actually using it.
Oh, yeah, it's already out there in the real world.
The article talked about Victoria University of Wellington in New Zealand.
They used it to find someone to lead their generative AI program, right?
Yeah, but here's the kicker.
Let me guess. They used AI to create the job posting.
Close. They used AI to create a podcast to attract candidates.
Whoa, hold on. A podcast.
A podcast designed specifically to speak to people in that field.
That is so meta. Using AI to recruit AI experts, that's brilliant.
Pretty clever, right?
Yeah.
It's like they're speaking the language of the people they want to attract.
Exactly.
Okay, but let's shift gears for a second. Imagine you're a job seeker, someone who's, looking for a position in academia.
Right, right.
Instead of sending out hundreds of applications,
Yeah.
hoping to get a response, this tool could match you with the right opportunities. It feels like it could create a much more efficient job market, don't you think?
I think it has that potential for sure. It could streamline the process, make it less of a headache for everyone involved.
For universities and for job seekers?
Yeah, but, any new technology brings up some questions,
Oh,
right?
absolutely. What kind of questions are we talking about?
Well, the big one is fairness. Does using an algorithm really mean everyone has an equal chance? How do we make sure it's not biased in some way?
That's a great point.
And then there's the human element. We can't forget about that.
Right.
We don't want to become so reliant on data that we lose sight of things like individual potential,
Yeah.
Those things that might not show up on a resume.
Those are important things to consider, especially as this technology keeps evolving.
Definitely.
So if AI is now helping to find the quote-unquote best candidates,
Yeah.
does that mean the definition of best might actually change? Like what universities are looking for in a candidate?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? If AI is now evaluating skills and experience in these new ways,
Yeah.
could that lead to a shift in what universities value, what they prioritize? And if so, how will that impact the next generation of academics? Those are things we need to be thinking about.
Wow. It's definitely something for all of us to consider. And I think that's a great place to leave it for today. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive.
It's been a pleasure. Thanks for having me.
And to everyone listening, keep those questions coming. We'll see you next time.